Best deals.
1. Lunch box. Silicone gasket ensures no spills, so you can toss it in your backpack or tote bag with confidence. The stackable metal box equipped with a high elasticity silicone seal ring, the lid locks tightly to prevent leaks, even when tilted. Ideal for noodles, soups, salads, fruits, and snacks. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Idli steamer. Comes with 2 idli plates, 2 dokla plates, 1 steamer plate, and 1 paniyaram plate, plus a stainless steel lid for versatile and efficient cooking. Made from premium food-grade stainless steel, the steamer set offers exceptional durability and resistance to rust, corrosion, and stains. Its robust construction ensures long-lasting performance, maintaining its shine and strength even with regular use. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Cold press juicer. Runs at just 40 rpm, using slow pressure to extract juice from fruits and vegetables without generating heat. This low-speed operation prevents oxidation, helping retain maximum nutrients, delivering higher juice yield. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Drawer dividers. Adjustable drawer dividers organizers are versatile and suitable for various spaces such as the kitchen, dresser, bedroom, bathroom, and office. Perfect for organizing silverware, utensils, clothes, socks, and more. Fits drawers up to 4 inches high. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Cleaning brush. With long handle makes cleaning easier and more comfortable by extending from 120 cm to 142 cm, allowing you to effortlessly reach high walls, bathroom floors, ceilings, and tight corners, all without bending, stretching, or kneeling. The telescopic handle with a secure locking mechanism ensures stability and ease while cleaning every corner of your home. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Towel holder. Is made up of ABS plus SEBS plus PC material and has high load bearing capacity and holds up to 5 kg with powerful adhesion system. Turn any corner into elegant and useful storage organizer with this corner towel holder, widely used in bathroom, bedroom, kitchen. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Drying mat. Versatile and practical, the silicone dish drying mat is an ideal gift for housewarmings, weddings, birthdays, and other special occasions. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Hanger. Transform your closet and maximize space effortlessly. These innovative hangers triple your storage capacity when used vertically, making them ideal for small closets, college dorms, apartments, or new homes with limited space. Each loop has a diameter of 1.5 inches and can hold multiple hangers, depending on their hook size, allowing you to hang even more clothes. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Door bottom sealing strip. Seal the gap under your door to stop dust, air, water, and insects from entering your room. Perfect for home, kitchen, and office doors. Keeps your space cleaner and pest-free all year. Made from flexible, durable silicone rubber that bends easily without tearing. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Laundry basin. Multifunctional integrated washboard laundry basin, fixed soap box and scrubber board in one, reduce the trouble of looking for laundry accessories. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Ghee pot. Made from premium quality stainless steel which gives an elegant look in your kitchen. Comes with one-piece lid with long-lasting rivet knob. Easy to store in cupboards and drawers. The lid prevents dust from falling into the oil. The strainer can effectively filter fine particles. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Kulfi molds. It is very easy to making ice cream. Just fill the molds, maker with the required ingredients and keep it in the freezer. This mold maker prepares 8 key-type ice candies, creams at a time. It can be used over and over again to make all natural large frozen treats such as juice, yogurt with fruit and anything you like. These ice cream molds are designed to make drip-free ice creams and give a clean, no-mess experience. Molds keep your fingers and clothes free from sticky drips. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Dosa maker. Craft flawless dosas in just 1 minute with rapid functionality. Easy cooking time control. Quick select for dosa quality and thickness. Automatic safety cutoff feature provides added protection after 3 minutes of idle time. Compact and portable design seamlessly fits in any kitchen space. Powerful 1600W performance guarantees swift and efficient cooking. Now with just one click, you can have multiple dosas that are crispy and crunchy. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Strainer pot. Made with grade stainless steel, built from rust-resistant, food-safe stainless steel for superior durability, hygiene and long-term use. Tempered glass laid with steam vent locks in moisture and flavor while letting you monitor cooking at a glance. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Canister. The stainless steel laid with a silicone gasket creates an airtight seal, preserving freshness. Canister offers ample storage space for a variety of items. Use it to store and organize a wide range of kitchen essentials such as coffee beans, tea leaves, sugar, flour, pasta, snacks, and more. The stainless steel laid with a silicone gasket locks in freshness. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Fermentation jar. You will receive 2 glass jars with grommet lids, 2 airlocks, and 2 storage lids. This is the perfect fermentation starter kit or for anything you want to brew, ferment, or store. The plastic lid comes with an Epi ring seal. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Coffee mug set. Earth-friendly and sustainable statement mug is extremely lightweight and impact-resistant to withstand everyday use. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Hand blender. Comes with ISI mark and the appliance is efficient and effective at its job of blending and mixing ingredients whether you are making meringues, mayonnaise, baby food, salads, omelette mixes or batters for baking. It comes with multipurpose 5 different blades and jar to make lovely dishes in a go. The blade speed and the texture of every blend gives you maximum choice and precision to prepare foods from smooth purees to chunky homemade salsas. Blast ice faster and blend your ingredients. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Steamer. Simplify your meal prep and save precious time with the ability to boil, cook, and steam using just one appliance, perfect for busy moms like you. With 600 watts of power, the electric kettle cum cooker heats up rapidly, allowing you to prepare delicious meals quickly and giving you more time to focus on other important tasks. The steaming function locks in nutrients in vegetables and other foods, ensuring you can provide your loved ones the healthiest and most nutritious meals possible. The stainless steel inner and removable trays make cleaning up a breeze, giving you more time to relax and enjoy quality moments with your family after a delicious meal. No need to buy additional accessories for various cooking tasks, as the included steamer for momos and vegetables and boiler trays for idli and eggs make this a convenient and cost-effective solution for busy moms like you. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Metal trolley. Maximize your kitchen space with this 5-tier vegetable storage stand, perfect for organizing onions, potatoes, fruits, and kitchen essentials in one place. Designed for effortless movement, this vegetable trolley features smooth rolling wheels, allowing you to shift it anywhere in your home or kitchen. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Dustbin. Easily dispose of waste without lifting a lid, perfect for hassle-free use and quick cleaning. Ideal for the kitchen, bathroom, and under sink. Hang it on cabinet doors or use as a standalone bin. Made from high-quality ABS plastic, 100% food-grade material. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Container. Keep snacks, dry fruits, veggies, and spices neatly separated without mixing flavors. See your stored items at a glance while locking in freshness and preventing odors. Conveniently transport the box from fridge to table, or pantry to counter with its sturdy built-in handle. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Mortar pestle. This large block-shaped grinder offers ample space for wet grinding and crushing multiple ingredients effortlessly. Perfect for heavy-duty use and preparing substantial quantities, saving time and effort. Its significant weight ensures smooth, consistent grinding without shifting, even for tough, fibrous ingredients. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Serving bowl. Made of borosilicate glass and is guaranteed to withstand temperatures of up to 350 degrees centigrade. Is scratch resistant. Can be safely used in the microwave, oven, fridge, freezer and dishwasher. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Electric kettle. Ensures rapid heating, boiling water in minutes for your tea, coffee, or quick meals. Its high power delivers efficiency, saving time without compromising on performance. Features a 304 stainless steel inner body, ensuring durability, rust resistance, and food safety. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Cast iron kadhai. Heavy cast iron retains and transfers heat evenly for the best pakoda, jalebis, sabzis, chips, noodles, Chinese gravies, and a lot more. Pre-seasoned interior and exterior with plant oil which allows direct contact of iron with food. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Wardrobe organizer. Crafted from high-quality, reinforced materials, our organizers provide long-lasting durability, offering reliable storage for years to come. This set includes 6 storage boxes, providing ample compartments to organize essentials like clothes, accessories, and toys, ensuring you have enough space for all your items. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Stove burner stand. It's stylish and functional. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Salad dressing maker. A handheld automatic mixing unit with detachable blade and soft touch button. Ideal for blending sauces, dressings, dips. Easy preservation. Its airtight and leak-proof seal makes it possible to keep your dressings fresh for use multiple times. Measurement in milliliter and oz along with 4 classic dressing recipes imprinted on the carafe. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Glass containers. Featuring an airtight payload, these glass containers help keep foods fresh by preventing moisture loss and blocking external odors. Constructed from sturdy soda glass with a temperature resistance range of -10 to 80 degrees Celsius. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Egg holder. Compact yet efficient, this tray optimizes storage space by utilizing verticality, making it an ideal solution for larger egg quantities. The dual-layer design ensures that eggs are shielded from contact. Product link is given in the 31st link. 32. Water pot. Crafted from pure copper, the copper jar is designed for health-conscious individuals. Product link is given in the 32nd link. 33. Ziploc bags. Pouches have a clear, smooth design that lets you quickly see what's stored inside without opening the bag. This makes it super easy to organize your kitchen, fridge, or travel items. The clean look also helps you find things faster and keep everything neat. Product link is given in the 33rd link. 34. Dustbin. The swing top lid allows for quick and easy trash disposal. A gentle push is all it takes. Product link is given in the 34th link. 35. Fry pan. The honeycomb design protects the non-stick coating from direct contact with metal utensils, making it scratch resistant and safe to use with metal spatulas. Enjoy worry-free cooking, a fast-heating aluminum core that ensures quick and even heat distribution, and a magnetic stainless steel exterior that makes the pan compatible. Product link is given in the 35th link. 36. Shelf. Made up solid durable chrome metal and has high load-bearing capacity and holds up to 5 kg with powerful adhesion system. Store all your kitchen bathroom accessories for home in one towel bar. Product link is given in the 36th link. 37. Vacuum storage bag. The Smart Saver air pumps are so powerful that it can not only inflate items but also deflate products by sucking air out. The inflatable mattress pump is small and lightweight, making it convenient to use it indoor and outdoor. At a travel-friendly dimension, you can easily take air pumps anywhere you go. Product link is given in the 37th link. 38. Lemon Squeezer. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it is a versatile kitchen tool that combines the functionality of a lemon squeezer and a bottle opener in one. It is designed for comfortable gripping and easy squeezing, convenience for easy cleaning after use. Product link is given in the 38th link. 39. Electric Kettle. Made from premium food-grade silicone that ensures your drinks are free from harmful substances. Compact and lightweight, our kettle easily fits in your bag, making it ideal for days out with the kids, work, or travel. Prepare your favorite hot beverages within 5 minutes, saving you precious time in your busy day. Just unfold, fill with water, plug into a socket, and switch it on. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. The compact design of our kettle means it takes up minimal space, leaving plenty of room for your children's essentials and your personal items. It's a must-have for all busy moms on the move. Sleek, lightweight kettle fits neatly into your bag and provides hot beverages or meals anytime, anywhere. It's the perfect ally for the super mom that you are. Product link is given in the 39th link. 40. Organizer. Maximize your bathroom space with this sleek and compact wall-mounted shelf, perfect for small or cluttered areas. Made from high-quality, rust-resistant materials to ensure long-lasting use in humid environments. Ideal for storing toiletries, bottles, towels, razors, and other bathroom essentials. Adds a clean, contemporary touch to your bathroom decor while keeping it organized. Product link is given in the 40th link.